Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, and the other tribes in Nigeria? This question is for you people. I need an answer. Just write it on the comment section. First question I want to ask everybody in Nigeria, all the tribes in Nigeria. Now, Nigeria are playing football. They are playing match. I'm seeing something where they confuse me. You know, tribalism in Nigeria. Why is it that as Nigeria they play ball, both under 17, under 20, under 30, all this, even as far go. Anytime when they play ball, football match, when you come for the prayers where they play that match, some are Yorubas, Hausa, Igbo, other tribes in Nigeria. Then there for that field, they play ball, they play for Nigeria. Now, if Igbo man score goal, you go see how all the Nigerians will shout goal, both Igbo, both Hausa, both Yoruba, all the tribe in Nigeria, all of them will rejoice. If Hausa man score goal, you go see how the same Igbo people, both Yorubas, Hausa, everybody go to rejoice and shouting goal. If Yoruba man score goal, you go see how all the tribes in Nigeria will shouting goal. But why, if we come back home, I don't really know the kind of tribalism I will practice in Nigeria. During the census, all the tribes in Nigeria, both Igbo, both Hausa, both Yoruba, everybody census. All of them tribalism go that time. They focus on census. They focus on census. Now, I can remember during the death of Mohbad. Mohbad is a Yoruba man, but Igbo people carry him for head at that time. Even the Igbo people do protests in Enugu, so even Anambra State. They are doing protests against about Yoruba guy where they call Mohbad where die. But I don't really know the kind of tribalism I will practice in Nigeria. If we go to ball match, Hausa man score goal, Yoruba score goal, Igbo man score goal, you go see all the tribes they rejoice goal. But why is it among us? Why tribalism? Why this tribalism? I need an answer. Why this tribalism?